Yeah, my friend just passed a very important company test. Now, how should I say congrats to him in Chinese?
You can say 祝贺你。
祝贺你。
祝贺 means congratulate.
祝贺。
你 means you.
你。
祝贺你。
祝贺你. Congratulations.
You can also say 恭喜你。
恭喜你。
恭喜 also means congratulate.
恭喜。
恭喜你。
恭喜你。Congratulations.
我通过测试了。
祝贺你。
我终于拿到驾照了。
恭喜你。
Cam, we have been doing Chinese studio for a year, which calls for a celebration.
Right. Now, how do I say that?
You can say 这值得庆祝一下。
这值得庆祝一下。
这 means this.
这
值得 call for.
值得
庆祝 means a celebration.
庆祝
一下 a little bit.
一下。
这值得庆祝一下。
这值得庆祝一下。This calls for a celebration.
合同终于签下来了。
这值得庆祝一下。
Cam, one of my best friends just got engaged.
That's great. Yeah, Jess. So how did you respond to the news?
Well, I said to her, 我真为你高兴, which means I'm so happy for you.
我真为你高兴。
我 means I.
我
真 means so.
真
为你 for you.
为你
高兴 happy.
高兴。
我真为你高兴。
我真为你高兴。I'm so happy for you.
我马上就要结婚了。
是吗？我真为你高兴。
我和他和好了。
太好了，我真为你们高兴。
Keywords reminder. Congratulations. 祝贺你。This calls for a celebration. 这值得庆祝一下。I'm so happy for you. 我真为你高兴。All in today's Chinese studio.
Well, we've run out of time, Yaj.
And time for a question of the day. How do you say I'm so happy for you in Chinese?
明天见。
明天见。